Hi everyone. If you watched our previous video about deal tags, you may have had a logical question. What about tickets? Recently, HubSpot made colored tags available on the ticket level as well. Let's not waste time and see how to create them. To do that, go to Settings, find Ticket Pipeline Configuration, and click on Customize Ticket Tags. You can see an overview board with all tags set up in your HubSpot account. Click Add Tag. Fill in the required fields: name, color, pipeline. Same as for deals, you can apply tags to all pipelines or to a certain one from the dropdown. I created a sample red tag for demonstration called Hi. As we have only one support pipeline, I assign the tag to all pipelines. The next step is to add filters for when the ticket tag should appear on a card. I will apply a simple single condition as a filter: ticket priority is equal to high. For more information, please watch our previous video where we're demonstrating different filtering options for deal tags. It is absolutely the same. Click Review Tag. Check all the creation settings: name, description, color, pipeline, filters. If everything is okay, click Save. Now we can see that our Hi tag appeared at the bottom of Overview board. Let's see how these colored tags are going to look like on the ticket board and list views. Go to Tickets. If you are not in the list view, just make a switch. To show tags, click Edit Columns. Search for ticket tags, click the checkbox, and drag it to your desired position in the column order. Click Apply. Now colored tags are shown as a column in the table. To hide them from a view, just click the cross in your ticket tags. Now let's move to the board view. You can show or hide tags on this view by clicking on Board Actions, Edit Cards, and clicking on Display Tags checkbox. Do not forget to say your choice. Same as for deals, filtering by tags is also available on the ticket level. Here you can see tickets that have high and product issue tags. Well, now you have everything you need to set up colored ticket tags and apply it to your ticket pipelines. Using this feature can empower your customer service by identifying the most important tickets and taking them into work as soon as possible. Same as for deals, colored ticket tags also have a few limitations. You can have a maximum of 10 ticket tags per HubSpot account independently of pipeline assignment. Ticket tags can be created and edited only by super admins. Applying to specific pipelines is only available on Service Professional or Enterprise subscription levels. I hope this video was helpful. Drop a comment with your thoughts or questions. We'd love to hear from you. Do not forget to subscribe as more videos are coming. Thanks for watching.